If you thought the drama in Splitsvilla 16 was intense on screen, wait till you hear what's happening off screen. Because now it's Akanksha Chaudhary versus Sandarya Shetty, and the tension has officially moved to Instagram. So here's the full tea, both sides included. After the latest episode aired, many viewers felt that Sandarya's comments toward Akansha and her friend Suzanne came across as harsh. Some even labeled it as bullying. Social media reacted instantly. Clips started circulating, opinions exploded, and Sandarya began receiving a lot of backlash. That's where things escalated beyond the show.
एंड आप एक स्टोरी या एक चीज पे लाइव में नहीं बोल रहे हो कि गाइज मुझे पता है कि आप लोग मुझे पसंद करते हो. आई एम स्पेशली टॉकिंग अबाउट आकांक्षा एंड हर कल्ट बेस और वॉट एवर द फैन बेस और वॉट्स एवर. आप एक बार जाके बोल सकते हो कि प्लीज डू नॉट स्प्रेड हेट. नहीं, नहीं, आप तो ये नहीं बोल रहे हो. आप क्या बोल रहे हो? करो, करो, उनके माँ बाप की गाली दो, उनको थप्पड़ मारो, उनका जीना हराम करो. इफ यू आर एन एक्चुअल इन्फ्लुएंसर और आपको लाइफ में कुछ आगे जाके बड़ा करना है आपके लाइफ में, सो व्हाई नॉट एजुकेट योर कल्ट सेइंग दैट मुझे प्यार करो बट किसी और को हेट मत दो.
Sandarya recently went live and addressed everything. According to her, she is being unfairly targeted with hate. He questioned why Akansha didn't tell her audience to stop spreading negativity. Her argument is simple. If you know your fan base is attacking someone, shouldn't you step in and calm things down? From her perspective, the hate became excessive. He feels that instead of allowing the backlash to grow, Akansha could have taken responsibility and publicly asked her followers to stop. So, in Saundarya's narrative, this isn't just about the episode, it's about accountability after the episode. But Akansha did not stay silent. She responded through multiple Instagram story slides and made her position very clear. She says she does not support hate, threats, or abuse, period. She denied ever asking her fans to attack anyone. According to Akansha, he cannot control how viewers react to what they saw on national television. She believes that the backlash Saundarya is facing is a direct reaction to her own actions in the episode, not because of PR manipulation or fan mobilization. She also strongly denied certain off camera accusations being hinted and challenged anyone to show proof if they are making claims against her. So, from Akanksha's perspective, this is about truth versus narrative, and she refuses to be blamed for audience reactions. And now the internet is divided. Some people believe Saundarya is being unfairly villainized and that public figures should guide their audience when things get out of control. Others believe Akanksha is simply defending herself and that criticism is a natural consequence of reality TV exposure. At this point, it's not just about one episode anymore, it's about perception, image, and who controls the narrative. So now I want to know, who do you support in this situation? Go to the community tab right now and vote in the poll, Team Akanksha or Team Saundarya. And comment your detailed views in the comment section below. Keep it respectful, no hate, just opinions. If you enjoy Splitsvilla gossip, contestant reels, live updates, and detailed breakdowns like this, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I post regular updates and even go live to discuss all the drama in real time. More tea coming soon. Stay tuned.